Hey, welcome back everyone. This is Marco with Excel for Accountants, and we are picking up today with some of my favorite add-on tools, Professor Excel, as well as I'll mention this in a different video, but Q tools. But we're going to be focusing on Professor Excel today. So, if you're not familiar with the Professor Excel add-on tool, I highly recommend it. It's about like 49 bucks. License lasts, I believe it's either a lifetime license or it's renewal every couple of years. But for the most part, it's definitely worth the investment. Getting both Professor Excel and Q Tools Plus. It definitely improves productivity. It just kind of does a lot of things that when you're working with multiple new documents, it just kind of speeds the process across the board. Obviously, if you know VBA, you could actually do some of the things that Professor Excel and Q Tools does. But again, for the less advanced Excel users that does not have a good mastery of VBA, Professor Excel and Q Tools are a good bridge gap to kind of do some of those advanced functions or features until you get your VBA skills good enough or high enough to kind of do it in VBA. But for the most part, a lot of people might not have time to invest to learn VBA as much or as rapidly as they love, and so Q Tools and Professor Excel can definitely help you while you're waiting to improve your skill set. So we're going to keep the videos pretty simple for Professor Excel. I like to focus on either one, maybe two things per video and keep it very short and to the point. So today we're going to be focusing on the workbook tools that I have over here, such as merge file, merge sheets. Those are the main two. Initially when I got Professor Excel, this is before, of course, I had a good mastery of VBA. I initially got it because I wanted these two functions right here, merge files and merge sheets, because a lot of times I get a lot of documents in Excel, and it's kind of, this was again before I knew VBA, and it was really hard to kind of manually have to do that. So, one of the things I like is the ability to just merge files. So I just clicked on this right here, and then you can kind of see where I go into right here. So I'm going to merge some files that I've kind of created, some workbook sheets. So I'm going to choose this, and actually you can click more than one, so I'm going to get another one and just kind of copy okay, this one, oh, this is okay. Alright, so we should be able to merge these couple. Alright, there you go. So we're going to merge these two files. Pretty straightforward. You can see quite a bit of documents that are now part of tabs that are now part of this one worksheet. So again, it merged both files into one. You can kind of see, this is from the first one right here. And it just kind of makes it pretty easy. And so some of these worksheets you kind of saw from my first video on XLOOKUP, and you can see that directory, the XLOOKUP basic, as well as the basic examples. You can kind of scroll and see what the different examples are. So you'll see another video from my XLOOKUP series that has the second example in that series. But for the most part, it just merged both of these into one, literally in just seconds. And that's one of the beauties of this. And say, for example, I don't want to actually save this document, I could just close it, right? And I could open a brand new Excel document again and kind of show you how it works. Alright, so brand new document. Again, just click on Professor Excel, merge files. Oh, what happened? There you go. Alright, there you go. Now say if I only just want to actually merge one document this time, so just the names, the Avengers names, baby's name, bingo, there we go. But say if I want to add another document, or I just want to merge a specific sheet, and this is the other function. If you just want to merge specific worksheets in actual information, you have the option to insert the original sheet name in column A, copy and paste, move data, and delete original sheets. So there's a couple different options here. So we're going to start with a standard copy and paste. Let's add this right here. So we're gonna actually, hold on. Let's do this right here. So we're gonna play around with merge sheet, insert original in column A, and standard copy. Okay, so let's go. And hold on. Oh, actually, I think I see what happened right here. Oh, so this function right here is actually part of Q Tools, because again, I use both Q Tools and Professor Excel at the same time. So this little sidebar you see over here is actually a Q Tool function, which I'll go into that in a separate video. But let's get back to what we're talking about. So over here, merge sheets, insert original. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, I have to select all, worksheets in this example. So let's actually have a blank sheet. So what we're gonna kind of set this up a little bit simple. Sheet 1. Okay. And so we're gonna have a first name here, this worksheet, and then we're gonna have a worksheet 2. Okay. And we're gonna have a last name. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna merge these two worksheets together for this simple example. Okay. So this is the merge worksheet. Oh, I see what happened. When I did merge worksheet, it actually... okay, so he merged it in an interesting way. So he put the actual worksheet 1. Okay, so I had the option where it put the actual worksheet was where it was merged from in the first column for each row, and then down. So that's one option. There's another option we could do. So this is a combined worksheet. So let's do another merge sheet, and so we'll not insert the original sheet in column A because that's what I did the first time. Let's move data and delete the original sheets, please. Okay, yeah, this one is a little tricky. All right, let's do paste value only. Okay, so let's select both these sheets. Okay, and we're going to do paste value first. Okay, so again, you notice that it replaced the original copy sheet I had, and it just puts everything in descendant order from top to bottom. So it doesn't actually merge them together from left to right, it merges it from top to bottom. So it merges the first sheet all the way down, and you can see there's a break before it goes to the second sheet. So where's the last? Bingo, right here. So from top to bottom is how it's merged. So that's good to know. It also replaces any previous merge sheet you had before, so that's also good to know. So we have this. We're going to do the other merge sheet. We're going to link copy cells to source. So let's see this one, what this looks like. Okay. All right. So again, interesting. So this actually links both sheets together, so that way if there's any change you make to the original, it changes. So in this case we have Scarlet, so we're going to change this from Scarlet to Black Widow. Okay, so sorry, modify that. So it links this to worksheet 1 RC. Is this absolute reference? Oh, okay. Did I not add formulas to automatically update? Okay, alright, that explains something. Alright, so yeah, there we go. My formulas, for some reason for this workbook, was not automatically updated. But you can see if I change something right here, let's go change it back to Ermac, from Mortal Kombat. You can see it automatically updates. So that's interesting to see the different merge sheets options. So in case you just want to merge specific links. So this right here links both sheets to your merge sheet, and if you change any information in one or the second sheet or in however many sheets, then it will automatically change everywhere else. So this is good to know in case you actually have a document where you want to merge stuff together. And then we have this one, which is move data and delete original sheets. Please go say, okay, yeah, this one is going to be the one that is tricky because it deletes the original worksheet, so that's why I've saved it for last. So let's go ahead and hit start. Bingo. So now there's only one sheet, okay, and it's from top to bottom like we just seen previously, and the original sheet is completely deleted, both of them. So I mean, I guess this is a good option if you really want to just kind of combine everything and delete and kind of consolidate it into one worksheet. That's fine, but you'd have to be very specific in terms of the reason as to why you would choose this option versus the other three options for the merge sheet option. So, but again, wanted to kind of go over this very simple, short and to the fact. So Professor Excel is a great tool. If you haven't already picked it up for Cyber Monday sale 2021, I would highly recommend it. It's definitely one of the software I always either renew it if it expires or if I need a new license and stuff like that, and it just helps me, it just gives me additional tool in my toolbox to use depending on which scenario I may run into, because obviously if it's a worksheet I work on a lot, I usually have VBAs embedded in the worksheet. But if it's like a brand new document where I haven't had a chance to kind of embed it with VBAs or stuff like that, I then use this as my crutch or my tool until I'm able to kind of embellish the document with VBA formulas, things like that, and make it a bit more automated. But for now, for non-automation, where you kind of need a tool that kind of does it for you without you having to worry about doing like a bunch of VBAs, formulas, and all this other stuff, this is definitely one of the best tools out there. So wanted to get this video out ahead of Cyber Monday in case anybody's wondering what good Excel tools or add-ons to use for their Excel. Obviously, I'll be doing other videos to kind of cover all the different functions because there's so much, like it's ridiculous. So I'll definitely be providing more videos than that, so stay tuned. So thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.